XtremeVision HID, Xenon Replacement Bulbs. The XtremeVision HID. Xenon replacement bulbs offer a high-quality lighting solution for vehicles in need of improved visibility and style. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have extensively reviewed and tested the product to provide you with an honest assessment. One notable feature of the XtremeVision HID Xenon replacement bulbs is their exceptional brightness. With a color temperature of 10,000K, dark blue, these bulbs emit a vibrant, intense blue light that enhances visibility during nighttime driving. The dark blue color adds a touch of uniqueness and personalization to your vehicle's lighting system. The bulbs are compatible with a voltage of 12 volts, making them suitable for most standard automotive applications. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, these bulbs are designed to deliver consistent and reliable performance. Installation of the XtremeVision HID Xenon replacement bulbs is relatively straightforward.